parts of flower. Ovary. The ovary holds the seeds and protects them as they grow. Ovule. The ovule is the beginning of a new plant. Style. The style helps carry pollen from the stigma to the ovary so seeds can start growing. Stigma. The stigma catches pollen like tiny dust particles, which are needed for making seeds. Anther. The anther is where the pollen is made. Filament. The filament is like the stem of the pollen-making bag. Petal. The petal attracts insects and birds to come and visit. Sepal. The sepal protects the flower before it opens. Receptacle. The receptacle is where all the other parts, like petals, sepals, stamens, and pistils, are attached. Until next time, stay curious and keep on learning. Bye-bye.